Here we are in lesson 2. What you'll notice, we've created our home page, we've logged into the ISKL Google Apps, and you'll notice that my test site is here. So I'm going to click on my test site. So hopefully due to the internet speed this won't take too long. And this lesson, what we're looking at doing, we're looking at creating and editing pages, as well as looking at the sidebar. So here's our home page. There's many things I can do with it. I may not want the ISKL logo, but for the time being, and depending on the purpose, you may want the logo there. I can create a new page. And you're given a couple of different options. You can have it as a web page, it can be an announcement, a filing cabinet, or a list, or a start page. Now, this is going to be our secondary page in the hierarchy, and I'm going to call it All About Me. For this purpose, my students are doing portfolios, so their second page is going to be about themselves. So I'm going to say create a page. This just takes about 30 seconds. And again, what you'll notice on the sidebar, there's my new page. Here's my home page. And here's my secondary page. All about me. Again, if I wanted to edit this page, the editor comes up at the top, very similar to Word, and I can simply add some information there. Include narrative, stories, poetry, etc. So let's save this. The other feature, I can also add attachments of documents or files if I want to, and I can have students' collaboration comment on each other's. So very simple to add pages. If I decided I don't want that page anymore, I just take the option to delete it. For the time being, I want to keep it. So let's have a look at the options on the left. The options on the left control many things. They control the general settings, so if I decided to change my title, options about who I want to share it with, the layout and the appearance, if I want the navigation bar on the other side, also the color and the fonts, and if after selecting a certain theme I wanted to change it, this is the option where I can change it. And again, here's the different themes that come up. Alright, so let's go back and return to the site. I've decided to keep my site with the same thing. Again, if I want to create another page, and my students have just finished narrative stories, I'm going to call it a web page. I might call it my personal narrative. You can choose the hierarchy of the website, but as my example is a simple student example, for all intents and purposes, the hierarchy is very simple. Again, as soon as you create the page, what you see, what you get, editor comes up, you can hyperlink, you can change different fonts, but I'm leaving mine. I can copy and paste any documents, so I'm going to save this now. So here's your chance. Please take the time to edit your pages, to create, to add, and also to look at how you can change layouts on the different pages, as well as looking at the fonts and the themes. Good luck. This is the end of lesson 2. Enjoy.